Hello, everybody. How's it going? Ben here, and we got a package. Shall we see what it is? You know what? Let me check and make sure my mic is hooked up okay. Yeah, it's good. Okay, sorry about that. I just got a brand new mic and stand and everything, and I'm experimenting, trying to work out the bugs and figure out what's better for me. Oh gosh, I can't wait! I can't wait! I can't wait! I can't wait! Can't wait! Can't freaking wait! In the words of Wolverine, let's fucking go! Ooh, look at that box. That's cool. I like it this year. That's cool. See the shadow? Alright, let's open it up. See what this bad boy looks like. I was gonna go with the crafted black because, carbon fiber is my material that I love. Oh yeah, we don't need a knife anymore. But by the time I got everything sorted out and was able to purchase it, it was freaking gone. At least the 512 was. They had the 1 terabyte, and I tried to get the 1 terabyte, but it was just too much. Too much on old Ben's pocketbook. This channel is sponsored by Ben's Wallet. Just remember that. All this stuff I buy myself. Oh my god. Holy hell. That's beautiful. Take a minute to soak that in. Look at that. That thing is awesome. Oh yeah. I'm glad I went with the silver shadow. God, look at that. Look at that reflection. Is it cool or what? Damn. Samsung really outdid themselves in this one. And I probably say that every year, but okay. Okay. Experiencing some technical difficulties. Won't come out of the damn box. There we go. Oh, God. Almost dropped it. Oh my god, I almost dropped it. Holy sh. Okay. Oh, that was a close call. Look at that. Wow. Oh my god, it's so light. Even with the cardboard still on it, it's light. Shall we? There's the front one. Awesome. Okay, so this is my new favorite device. Wow. The crease is hardly there. Well, you can see it a little bit, but under the lights and stuff, look at that. Crease looks good this year. Wow. I'm impressed. Okay, first fold time. Wow. God, I can't believe how thin it is. Thin and light. Samsung really did it this year. I'm gonna have to get another one of these. These things are just awesome. Wow. You guys, you don't. It's easy to watch a video and to come out with an opinion on something, but until you held it in your hands and you folded it and you played with it, you guys, you just don't understand. Until you do this for yourself, there's no other way to describe it. Wow. This is too cool. I love it. Silver Shadow. I'm thinking about, for the second one, I'm thinking about navy blue. Or should we just go with crafted black? Well, you know what? Crafted black, it looks cool, but because it's carbon fiber, like textured, and it's not called carbon fiber, it's called crafted black. I realize that, but the back is glossy. I saw a video the other day, and the guy was talking about it's glossy, so it leaves like a bunch of fingerprints on the crafted black one. So I don't know about that one. Maybe we'll just go with navy blue. That navy blue one looks pretty sweet too. This one is awesome. This one's my favorite of all three of them. All three of the ones I would buy anyway. I would never buy the pink. No way in hell would I ever buy a pink phone. I don't care what you say. I don't care how manly the men that carry a pink phone are. I would never buy a pink phone. But of the other colors, the blue, the silver shadow, and the crafted black, those are cool. But the white, I don't know about the white. The white looks funky to me. It looks like too white. It's like, I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. It's just not my thing. But there we go. Z Fold 6 unboxed. Tomorrow I have an orange S24 Ultra coming. Huh? Huh? How about that one? I'm excited for that one too. Not as excited as I was about this one, but yeah, I'm looking forward to unboxing that one. That one's cool. An orange phone. I'm there. Orange is my favorite color, guys. Orange and gray. That's why all my other phones are gray and gray. And the one I'm filming with is also gray. But that's it. I believe that's it, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, as far as the unboxing goes, I'm sorry about that, guys. I always forget this. I always forget about this. Damn it. Can't do an unboxing if you don't unbox the damn box, right? Okay, so we got this cool flip up style thing here. Nope, nope, we don't. Okay. Where's the SIM tool? Is it? Samsung better not be cheaping out on that. It's like the one thing they do put in the box these days. Yep, there's the cord. And SIM tool. SIM tool is way down there. It's right here. And books and shit. Do you guys remember when... Let me back up the camera real quick here. I need to get in my drawer. Do you guys remember when an unboxing took about 20 minutes and you had all the cool accessories, all the cool stuff that you needed with the device, Samsung, that you need with the device, Samsung, like USB reducer, headphones, and S Pen tips. Remember those days? Those were good days, weren't they? Oh well. Talk to you guys later. Or tomorrow. Bye.